Hello, Hardware here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your ChatGPT app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go up to the search bar, ChatGPT. You got our ChatGPT app. Click here and check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app, everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way, go out to the settings, apps, see all the apps, here, ChatGPT, permissions, and all not allowed, maybe you just need to allow, like here, allow, and rest of them also. After this, go back here, mobile data and Wi-Fi, and unrestricted data usage. After this, everything should be alright with that. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way how to fix it. So, last way is go up here, Play Store, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be cool. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.